Hi guys, welcome to Make It in Minutes Monday. Today we're going to be making this cute card, very fitting for this day. It's basically showing the eclipse that is happening. And yeah, we're super excited to show this to you. So we're going to get started. Okay, all the supplies that you're going to need will be listed in the description below. However, we're just going to quickly show you. We got Balmy Blue ink, Daffodil Delight, and Blueberry Bushel inks. We're going to be using the Something Fancy, and we're going to be using the Grateful for Everyday Magic of You. So I thought that was very fitting. And then we're also going to be featuring the new Under the Moon stamp set that is going to be in the annual catalog. And if you don't have a catalog, please reach out to us and we'll get one sent out to you. So super excited about that, and I've already got them mounted here. So we're going to be bringing in our pieces, and we're going to stamp in our Blueberry Bushel first. And then we're going to take our moon and we're going to gently tap that in our ink and stamp it on the one side. The next item that I'm going to be using is going to be the 2 1/4 inch punch. Now this is retired. Stampin' Up! Used to have this one. However, any 2 1/4 inch circle die, punch, any of that you have would work perfect. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to punch just a regular circle out without any ink on it. This is going to be our sun. And then I'm going to turn this on the side and punch this out. You're going to need a dauber, and that's where our Balmy Blue ink comes into play. Now on this one, being that it is the eclipse, obviously the moon is going to be all darkened. I tried doing it on a black card, but it just didn't look very pretty to me. So I ended up using a darker blue, and then I'm just going to fill this white in just to bring it down. I'll tone it down a little bit. Okay, looks pretty good. And I think it obviously matches the colors in the card really nice. All right, so this one we're gonna be using Daffodil Delight. And then we're gonna bring in our blending brush, and we're just gonna blend in a little bit of yellow. Now, to make it easier on yourself, you could always punch out the daffodil orange, yellow circle, but I thought this would be fun to use on here. All right, so now I'm just doing the part of the circle because most of it's gonna be covered up. So that looks pretty good. We're going to bring in the chamois that came along with the Stampin' Mat, glass mat here, and wipe this off. Now this is going to be available at some point in the future. We just don't know the date yet. So stay tuned for that. Now I'm just going to do a little bit of fussy cutting with our snip scissors. Those are available on our online store as well. And now we're ready to assemble our card. So today, obviously, I'm just using a little bit of glue. And I like using the Tombow glue just because it gives it a really strong hold, but it also gives you a few minutes, or a few seconds, I should say, before it completely dries. And then that way you're able to move the paper if you have it off to one side. And being that I've only got a tiny edge, it works perfect to slide it around. Now we have just our regular 8.5 by 5.5 card base. Today we're using the thick white, and I'm going to go ahead and adhere this on as well. With this, all I did is I put a little bit of glue on this part here, and we're just going to attach our moon. Now, what would be fun is wherever you live, you could do it to whatever phase it is going to be when it's over you. So ours was going to be just a crescent, so we decided to do that. All right, now we're going to need some dimensionals because I love me some dimensionals. All right, on here, we're going to add some dimensionals as well. See if I can get a couple of these big ones on here. Now, we have this combo pack. It's been one of my favorites. It comes in silver and gold, and it used to be part of our last, oh goodness, our last mini catalog, I believe. But it is now in the 24-25 annual catalog, so I'm super excited because it just adds a perfect accent. And then we're just going to lay this sentiment right over the top of it, if I can get it to work. So on this one, I just went and cut the 2 pieces. But if you look at this one, I kind of did a bow, and then I kind of tweaked it so that I had a couple edges shown over there and a couple over here. So whatever works for you guys, whatever one you like, and it's easiest for you, go for it. But oh my goodness, that's very pretty. Now I just need to add a little bit of sparkle. We are using the Rhinestone Basic Jewels. Okay guys, what do you think? Please let me know, and let me know if you have a favorite, if you like the blue one or if you like the rainbow one better. I'm kind of partial to this one, I'm just saying. Okay, so we really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. And then also, if you would like 5 free card tutorials and weekly inspiration, please make sure to join our newsletter. You can find the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.